Hello. In the last session, we have seen about LEDs as well as different switches to be interfaced with the Arduino. In this session, we'll see a very interesting kind of LED, which is a TriColor LED. As the name suggests, the LED itself can generate three different colors. Those are red, green as well as blue. Usually, this LED comes in either a common cathode mode or in a common anode mode. This is just like our normal LED, but instead of single LED in the same package, there are three different LEDs which share either a common cathode or ground connection or which share a common anode or 5-volt connection. So, the default LED which we have usually is the one which is having a common ground connection or common cathode connection. So here what we have to do is we have to connect this ground or the largest pin of the LED, which is the common ground, to the ground connection or the ground pin of the Arduino, and these red, green and blue pins with a respective resistor can go to any pin of Arduino. If I have to interface this with Arduino, the schematic should look like this. A common pin, which is the middle one, second pin from the left side, goes to the ground terminal, and to the first other remaining three pins we connect one resistor each, and then those pins go to the pin number 7, 6 and 5 of Arduino. What we have to do here is make a particular pin go high. For example, if you write a program to create or to make pin number 5 high, then respecting to this particular pin, a red color will be generated by the LED. If we keep it high, then the red will stay on. If we make pin number 5 low, then the red will turn off or the LED itself will turn off. If we create pin number 6, if we make pin number 6 go high, then the green color will be generated, and if we make pin number 6 low, the LED will turn off. Interestingly, if we keep both red and green powered on or both of them made high, then the LED will generate red and green color at the same time, thereby generating a new color. So interestingly, if we keep both pin number 5 and pin number 6 high, then the LED will generate red and green at the same time. So what color it generates? When we combine the red and green, the LED will generate a yellow color. Similarly, you can combine red with blue, green with blue. You can also make all three of them go high at the same time, generating a little bit of whitish color. Not a pure white, but yes, it can be said to be a white color. There are many interesting projects which can be done with this TriColor LED, which we'll do one by one. One of the project is to create a traffic signal out of it. So you have to create red, yellow and green colors after a specified delay. The program should run automatically. Second program I want you to create is make use of three switches, and if one switch is pressed, one particular color is generated. If the other switch is pressed, the other color should be generated. And definitely if we keep both the switches pressed at the same time, then two colors at the same time should be generated onto this LED. Hope so that this interesting projects will keep you hooked onto the Arduino for some time. In next session, we'll see the practicals of this particular experiment. These are the project assignments. As I have stated, you may note them down. Interestingly, if we make pin number 5 and pin number 6, both of them kept high, then the LED will generate red as well as green at the same time, thereby generating a new color which is yellow. Yes, you can mix these colors the way you want and the LED will respond to what your combination is given. I want you to create first I want you to experiment with this LED so that you can generate all three colors as well as the combination of them, and then I want you to create two different projects out of it. First is creation of an automatic traffic signal with TriColor LED which will generate red, green and yellow side by side with a little bit of delay. Second project is I want you to connect three switches and these three LEDs. Three LEDs means this TriColor LED to generate three different colors. If one switch is pressed, the LED should emit red, other switch green, third switch blue. If any of the two switches are pressed at the same time, then both the outputs should remain high and the LED should generate a color mixing type of pattern. Hope you will enjoy these practices and it will keep you hooked onto the Arduino and this TriColor LEDs for some time. Enjoy your session and practicals.